In this video, I'm going to prove to you that you can build a virtual reality house and publish it all in just 2 minutes. I'm going to use Horizon Worlds, and in just 2 minutes, we're going to have a house that anybody who has access to that platform can visit. Let's make a new world. In the Create menu, click on New World. And here, blank world. Let's create a blank world. Blank world. Let's name it VR World. And click on Create. Once you click on Create, it will take just 1 second. And here we are inside of a blank world. And this is your virtual reality world. This is where you can build things. So I could take a cube, I could put a cube. Out of a cube, I could build a wall. I could build another wall. I could build things maybe more pretty than this, but certainly not quicker than this. And notice that, well, let's go ahead and finish it. We're going to make a full house. It's not going to be a pretty house, but it is going to be a house that I built in VR. Should we give it a ceiling/roof? Why not? How about one like this and one like that? We just made a house in VR, and now we're ready to publish it. So just go to your Create menu again. Now this time click on World, name VR World, description. This is a house, my house. Content rating is for everyone. Comfort rating is comfortable tags. This is going to be a hangout place. Thumbnail image. Let's take a photo. Here it is. Looks good. Visible to public, yes. Beta world, no. Now we just click over here and agree. And within a couple seconds, here it is. Your world has been published. So my house is built. Let's go inside as a player. See what it looks like. Here it is. Here's my house. I go inside. It's not the prettiest thing in the whole world, but guess what? It's mine. I built it myself. Okay, so I know that the house is not very pretty, but the point of this video was to show you how easy the building and the publishing tools in Horizon can be. If you spend more than 2 minutes, then of course you're going to end up with much better results. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more content like this in your feed.